I just want to point out, this is the douchiest driveway in the world right now. Say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Dalton was explaining to me that this 200 horsepower turboed Maverick here it runs off of loaves of bread. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. About to get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey, baby! Smells like smell that? Smells like a bakery out here. Somebody must be getting some bread. I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? How's it going? Hope the bread gang's having a fantastic day today. I'm having a fantastic day. You noticed by the driveway what we got going on today. We're in Panama City. We're having some fun. We're getting bread. I know some of y'all say let's get this bread too much, and you know what I say to y'all? Let's get this bread. Exactly. Today, well, actually tomorrow, we're gonna be taking the Maverick out. We're gonna do some off-roading tomorrow, but today I just want to test drive it, go over it a little bit, so y'all know what you got coming on the channel. So we're gonna run it out and have some fun, and we'll go over it and tell you all about it. We're gonna be going out with the Maverick here. Say hi. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, we're gonna go rip up the old neighborhood real quick.
Rip up
some golf courses.
Rip up the neighborhood. I'm not gonna drive it today. I'll let y'all see that in the next one. Just know, and then in the upcoming videos, we're gonna take this out. We're taking it out tomorrow, but it won't get posted for another day or so. But trying to, is this the oh suicide doors?
Oh yeah.
Man.
Oh yeah.
Real quick, before we head out, tell me a little bit about this thing.
Is a probably a little loud.
Yeah, we'll shut up.
It's a 2017 Can-Am Maverick X3 XRS, and I actually just did a Stage 2R kit from Evolution Power Sports, so pushing like 200 horsepower right now, not to the wheels, but to the crank. So
for us guys that don't know what that means, it's really fast, it goes off-road, and we're gonna have some fun with it. So I'm going to cut the audio off here in a second because it's going to be loud riding around, and I'll throw some little music in the background just to be busy. But I hope y'all enjoy. We're going to go for a little test drive and get some bread. That blow-off valve, I love that. Was explaining to me that this 200 horsepower turboed Maverick here it runs off of loaves of bread. You just stick the little loaves of bread in the back here and it runs. So the loaves of bread, the engine actually, you know, takes out the nutrients from the loaves of bread and it pushes it around the engine, and it makes it go really fast. It's really fast. I hope y'all could tell. My hair is all over the place now. Thank you. I really appreciate it. But I hope y'all are as excited as I am. I did a little outro for it already, but it was super windy, so I don't know how that turned out. So we're gonna redo it again with the same enthusiasm, because that's what I do for y'all. We get this bread. I hope y'all get this bread as well. I hope y'all are really excited for what we got going on in the next day or so. Be super excited for the next couple of uploads. Hit the like and subscribe button. Join the greatest bread getting gang of ever in history. And check out my man Dalton, Bertrand850 on YouTube. Make sure to check him out. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications. Got to show love to my man. But as always, I'm gonna let him take it out.
I've been eating a lot of bread.
So what are we gonna do?
First